Hello everyone, my name is Dr. John Rollins, and my colleague Dr. Dan Fouts has already shared with you that there are some basic needs that we have to help us to produce normal and even more normal, if you will, bodies and functions within our bodies. Folks, what we're talking about, the products that we're going to be sharing with you, are the products produced by a company by the name of Aroga. Now, I've been around nutrition and wellness for many, many years, since I was actually a small child, but I've actually been working in the industry since the 1970s. And so I've had a particular interest in finding companies that produce products, first of all, that are needed. Not just Me Too kinds of products, but products that are actually needed to support and to help people build their health. That company is Aroga. Now, what is it that makes Aroga unique? I'll just give you a few things. First of all, the products are all 100% plant-based. Aroga does not extract, Aroga does not remove or isolate active ingredients. What Aroga does is it selects plants that will meet a particular biological need, a physiological need. They freeze dry the plant, removing the water, so that we're left in that material with 100% of what the plant has to offer us in the way of nutrients. And not only nutrients, but they're also supporting components within those plants that help to support the activity of those nutrients. Another thing that makes Aroga unique is that Aroga tests and screens the ingredients from the source. They have more than 25 suppliers around the world that supply them with plant materials that have been used as foods by our ancient ancestors. So we're not talking about pharmaceutical plants or medicinal plants, but food plants. And so they screen these plants. Now you say, well, how do they screen them? Unfortunately, many supplements in the marketplace today may not provide us with what we think we're getting. Aroga can test for the actual DNA content within the plant. Not only the content within the material, but also can go through the sequence of DNA to actually identify the plants. And so if they are not getting the plants that they have ordered, it will show up in those screening DNA tests. Secondly, they test for toxicity. They test for active ingredients or groups of ingredients. They have specialized monitoring and screening machinery that can actually identify the molecules that are present within that material. Now, they also test the material, that is the ingredients, when those ingredients enter their laboratories. They're in Dallas, Texas. So they run through additional testing and screening. And then if those particular ingredients or batches of material pass the test, the products are then assembled. The ingredients are then mixed in the right proportions and amounts and so forth to make particular products. And then they are screened again to make sure that when you get a bottle of Aroga products, what's on the label is what's in that capsule. Another little unique thing about Aroga, we have absolutely no need for fillers, for flowing agents, for inert ingredients to take up space, because everything in the capsule is plant material. And so you're getting exactly what the plant had to offer when you are using these Aroga products. And by the way, these products are patent protected. Aroga has filed for patent protection with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, and thereby also have filed through the various processes of the Patent Office in various countries around the world, so that we eventually will have patents protecting our interests all over the world. And those are some of the things that make Aroga unique. Now there's one other little thing that I might mention. You know what that is, folks? The products work. And believe me, though that might sound a little understated, that speaks volumes in this industry. Thank you much.